Okay, so real quick, a little commentary here. I was driving home from picking up some food at Chipotle, and in the left turn lane, and light turns green, there's a modified BMW making a right turn. So I'm making a left turn, this person's making a right turn from oncoming traffic. You can see it in the video here. And you guys like pass the line of where they're supposed to actually stop, like past the crosswalk type of thing. It's pretty common, so it's not really a big deal there. But the dude, like okay, the light turns green. I get a green arrow to turn left, so I get to go. And right before that, I believe on that side they get a right turn, like go ahead and turn. The dude, as I watch this, rolls down his window, puts his finger out and flicks me off, and then like I'm already halfway into the median here, and he goes anyways. And not only does he goes into my lane. So if you're turning, so technically by law, or at least how you learn it in driver's ed, when you make a right turn or left turn, you stay in the lane that is allotted to you. So if it's 2 lanes and you're making a left turn, you don't merge into the right lane. You stay in the left lane. Now, not to say that a lot of people don't do, like a lot of people do veer out to the, further out lane. It is something that happens from time to time, and I think it's because sometimes the car, has a lot of body roll, so they, maybe don't want to, lean that much, so they make a longer or wider turn so that, they're not able to feel that as much, and, it's more comfortable when you're driving. But either way, it's technically a law in the US to stay in your lane when you make a left or right turn. So this person proceeds to be in the left lane, so he merges into my lane basically when I'm already in the median, after he flicks me off, and then goes ahead and just speeds off. So I'm just like, what the heck is this guy doing? And then he also cuts off this other truck in front of us too. And as we speed through this, I eventually catch him, and it just so happens to set it up that we're neck and neck. He's again in the crosswalk. You're not supposed to do that, but some people just do it anyways. It's again a fairly common thing that happens. And yeah, after that, catch this person and basically line up next to them. It happens to be at a red light, and I'm in my Tesla Model 3 Performance, and I'm like, oh, this is a modified 340i. Like, I didn't even know that what happened there before, like, flicked me off and everything. Like, that happened, and I didn't really think anything of it too much until, like, he sped off. But either way, I was like, whatever. And as we get here, wait for the light to turn green, and turns green. I go nice and easy into the median, and then I'm just like, bam, floor it. And just blow this person away. And I could tell that he was trying, like he was actually flooring it, because I could hear his car. It's definitely a modified BMW 340i. You can tune these things up to like crazy amounts of power. But either way, I was just like thinking about this. I'm like, you had to go out of your way to roll your window down, flip me the bird, and then merge into my lane. Like, I really don't understand that. Like, this is not something that typically happens. I think, people that see other people with like, expensive cars, or it could be like, somebody is an internal combustion car for life sort of thing, and they just hate Teslas, which, isn't really uncommon. But there are a lot of people that really like Teslas that are not really car people. I'm happen to be not one of those people, as you can see from all the DIY stuff and all the track days and stuff like that. I'm pretty much a car person, so. But just an interesting thing to see. Not super common, like that's not something that usually happens. And it's kind of odd that somebody just goes out of their way to sort of try to make your day feel worse. But either way, that's a video. This is very strange, but not really sure how to feel about that. But either way, there we have it. And I guess we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.